Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Bonbons button using an easy method. First, make sure you're in the correct game or application. It's crucial that your game is updated to its most recent version to access all features. Then, head straight to the in-game settings or the customization menu. This is where we'll find the option to enable or activate the button. It's a straightforward process. Once you're in the settings, look for sections like Interface or Display. These areas usually control how elements appear on your screen. Within these options, you should see a specific toggle or checkbox, often clearly labeled Bonbons button. Simply click to enable it. Don't forget to save your changes before exiting the menu to ensure the button appears correctly in your game. After activation, you might want to customize its appearance and placement. Many games offer a layout editor where you can drag and drop the button to your desired screen location. You can also often resize it, perhaps to a comfortable 3.5 inches wide for better visibility. Explore the available visual styles or themes to match your game's aesthetic or your personal preference. Make it truly yours. If you're having trouble finding or activating the Bonbons button, don't worry. A quick restart of your game often resolves minor glitches, or double-check for any pending updates you might have missed. For more persistent issues, the game's official support forums are an excellent resource for specific solutions. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.